padlock in my ear? It's because I'm trying to stretch it, so.
Gauging.
Don't mind it. Don't look at it.
It's hard not
Stop
to look.
staring.
It's hard not to look at it, Marissa.
I know. Stop staring!
What are you putting in it? What? Are you putting something in it?
I have the half-inch one with the shit ton of tape around it, so I can put the 9/16 in.
The yellow? That does not look healthy.
It's healthy. I've done it with my double zeros and this one.
Anyways.
I got melon.
That's a squash.
Still melon. How come it's on my head, not yours?
Because I don't have a melon head. You set yourself up for that.
Asshole!
You set that one up, not me.
I'm flat to fabulous.
Haha.
Did you ever get like little bruises in the back of your head when you were sleeping with these?
No.
It's like big in my head.
No.
This is a really lame video.
I know, I don't like it. I can bend this because I'm going to sleep.
Hey, I left my ring here. I don't know where it went. My little blue ring that
No one's wearing it.
Are you serious?
Because I ran out of fingers. We got in a ring fight. Nolan and AJ got in a ring fight to see how many I could have. And I only have my pinky.
I'm calling him right now.
Oh, denied. Dun, dun, dun.
Nolan?
Yeah?
I have a bone to pick with you.
You have a phone to pick with me?
Yes, I do.
About what?
How come you stole my ring?
I did not steal shit.
Yes, you did.
Did not.
There was a little blue ring with electrical tape on the inside of it left at Brittany's house last time I was here. And she says,
Huh?
yeah, it was plastic.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Don't bring that photograph for movies.
Nolan! You're such a douchebag! You're like 4 hours late and you forget the movie.
What a great guy.
Call was lost.
What the hell?
Call was lost.
Fuck Verizon! No, they'll save ones. Like, sleeping.
From who? Oh. I thought I was gonna spill that. You're betting we're gonna piss me off.
I know.
No,
I'm thinking about like.
there was like a little
putting
bump. No,
on
no,
the
no,
side.
no. There was like a little bump and it was pissing me off. No. No. No.
They wouldn't be all the way. They'd be like that. If I did.
No. This is the boringest
Oh,
video.
I look like a man in my driver's license picture.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
I want to see it.
Be right back.
Is your iPod dead? Playing that game. Happy Jump. Woo! This game reminds me of Winter Bells. Wait, I can't look. No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Why is it paper?
Because it's temporary until we get the plastic on the mail.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like that in Washington?
Yeah. It's no permit too.
Man, you made me lose. Oh my god, you don't even look like you.
That was just over summer change.
Crazy! You can kind of tell. You look like Lexi Hooper in this one.
Who the hell is Lexi Cooper?
She's cute, don't worry.
Alright. So you think I looked cute back in the day versus now? Like, honestly, did it look better back then? Than
Yes. Well, in like picture-wise.
Yeah.
What color was your hair then?
I have the color one. Yeah, 8th grade.
Oh my god! That's you?
Yeah. 8th fucking grade.
Do you want to see what I looked like in the 8th grade?
Yeah?
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
My hair was like the color of my sweatshirt, and I had braces, and you.
So did I.
I'll go get it.
Yeah, my hair was like a lighter brown than what it is now back with my permit.
I'll show you what Okay, here, are you ready for this?
Yeah. Oh my god!
I know, right? I know. You can't. You kind of can't. That's bad.
No, look at this. Like.
Oh my god.
That looks so funny in my
I like
10th
this
grade.
one. We should trade.
No. That looks so funny in my 10th grade when my hair fell flat. And, like, I kind of flipped it up with my hand, and then it made it lopsided. Shut up.
I don't think I have any more. Oh wait. No, that was broken. This is Anne. Look at Anne.
Who's Anne?
She does not look like that at all. I'll show you what she looks like.
I have a mirror in my wallet. Is that neat?
I don't.
Anne. Yeah, that's the evolution of Marissa. Apparently my face got fatter in between those 2 years. Holy crap.
I know, right?
Wow.
Yeah. Weird.
Send us your old pictures.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Alright, I need to put these back. Wasn't that so ugly? 8th grade.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
I was like 12, 13? Whatever, I don't care.
I looked funny in 8th grade.
Alright, this is video. I mean, the
This-
video.
Yeah.